Now he's going to go to Burger King in Athens. He's got to take back the new chainsaw and get a different one at the Plains.
No more Husker on.
Yeah, it's about 13 till 7. I'll be up when you get back. I got the dishes all washed and rinsed. There weren't very many. Made some lemonade. I heard the train. I already got back about 10:30 with his new chainsaw. This is a Stihl. It starts really easy. He likes it. I already cut down this tree next to the deck to use the wood to repair the swing frame.
I hope it'll be alright. I don't know how big around to cut it. That'll give us some more of the view too.
Mm-hmm.
That's all there is to it.
That was easy sharp. I think that might be another dead tree. Now we're just fastening back that piece of paneling that came loose. Got to cut one more piece of trim, and then we'll have all the trim up in the living room. This will finish it up by the ceiling. And he said that's his $25 saw. That's the corner before. And there's the piece we put up. We was able to match one stripe on it. And this one we put up, we couldn't match anything because the paneling had been cut. And we didn't have enough sheets to try and match it up. But the rest of them, when he had paneling that matched, were all matched. And there it is done. It doesn't go all the way to the wall. You don't know if you can tell that now. That was because this one stopped inside the paneling too, so we made it, matched it. I hear another train, the third one today.
They're all turkeys.
There's turkeys on the bridge.
Oh, I didn't see some young ones. See the little ones?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 of them. I wonder if they had 2 hatching, because them other ones ain't the mothers.
Wild They're turkeys.
The big ones. Okay, you ready?
This is Maxine's house. I didn't end the vlog last night, so I guess I'll do it this morning. After we saw the wild turkeys, we went on up and stopped and saw Maxine for a few minutes, and went on out to Jimmy's and saw the 2 tractors that he had just been rebuilding and painting and fixing up, looking good. And then we went on and visited Linda and Neil. We had a nice visit with them and got home about 10:15. So it was a nice afternoon, evening, and looks like it's going to be another one. Don't know whether to say good night or good morning. I guess I'll just say God bless.